Okay, today marks the first day of our second group of people who are learning about the web technology. I have on the line James Adubosa, I have Irene, I have Nana Felix. Nana Felix, tomorrow you can't join us. I just want you to have an experience. Okay, Adam Moore will join us from tomorrow because they've all registered. Just that they couldn't join us today. Tomorrow they will join us. And today is 11th April 2020. We just want to do a little demonstration as part of our orientation. So all members supposed to know, to take note of, is that text editor is used for developing a website, or preferably you can say that it provides us a platform on which we can develop a website. So we have so many text editors like Brackets, Visual Studio Code, Atom, Sublime Text, Notepad++, Notepad, and so on. These are all text editors. But today, on our lesson, we are going to use Sublime Text. I have pinned it on my taskbar, as you can see, the black and brown colored icon. I have pinned it on my taskbar. All I need to do is to click on it. And then it appears for me. Now, what I will say is this. Adubosa, please, are you there? Adubosa, are you there? Okay, let's move on. Okay. James, are you there? All right. Felix, are you there?
Yeah.
Your line is strong. Yes, what you have to know is the algorithm. Any application you want to develop, you need to think of algorithm. And the first thing, or let me say, an algorithm can be grouped into two. We have the flow chart where you use the shapes or objects in representing your step-by-step way of developing your app, and then you can use pseudocode that involves human language. Okay, now the first thing you do before you develop a website, or let me say the steps you have to follow, is that one, you first of all have to draw your diagram on paper. You draw your diagram of the web pages on paper. And then the next thing to do is to create folder on your computer. Then inside your folder are pictures, videos, and other items that you are going to use for your website. These things must be in your folder. Pictures, videos, other documents must be in your folder. So it means that when you open Sublime Text and you are developing the page, you are going to develop the page one after the other. And then you will make sure you save every page you develop into the folder. Make sure you save the page you develop into the folder. So for instance, if I have created a folder, let me see something. I can use this particular folder. Okay. These icons, I have to delete them, else it will bring a conflict. I don't know. Yes, I can use this particular folder. It is on desktop. So it assumes that my videos, my pictures are in this folder. Please, are you following? Are you following?
Yes.
Good. So
yes.
So that folder contains my videos, my pictures, and other documents I would wish to use on the website. So with my sketches on paper, with my folder created with all the items, I can now open the Sublime Text or your text editor as we have done. Are you clear? Okay. The moment you launch your text editor, the first thing you do is to type the basic code for every website. The basic code for every website. So I don't know, Felix, do you know anything about tags, HTML tags?
No.
Oh, then you can't understand. Blair, is this person part of us? Then I'm doing demonstration. You first of all
Okay.
you have to first learn the tags. You learn the tags first. Okay, Mr. Blair, good evening. Mr. Blair, good evening. His microphone is off. Please turn on your microphone. Mr. Blair, turn on your microphone. Okay, let's move on. You need to first of all type the basic code for a website. And the basic code is dot type HTML, then you close it, press enter, open HTML, and then you bring your close HTML. You close it. Inside this we have open head, and then we also have close head. Okay, inside the open head we have open title, and then the title is where the name of the page will appear. Title is where the name of the page will appear. Okay, when we move from here to where the content of the website is supposed to be. In the body is where the content of the website will be, in the body. So we call this one open tag, open HTML tag, and we call this one close HTML tag. We call this open body tag, we call this close body tag. We call this open head tag, we call this open close head tag. We call this open title tag, we call this close title tag. This one will appear on the top as like this. As you can see, doc type HTML. When we save it, it will be off. It will display the home being the name of the page. This is where you put the name of the page. This is where you put the name of the page. My guys, are you there?
Yes.
Good. Blaine, can you hear me? Yes.
Are we starting? Are you doing it?
I'm doing demonstration.
Yes, I can hear you.
Please, are you part of the web technology? No, you are not. I see. All right, let's move on. So this is where all the information you've been seeing, they are in the body. All the information you've been seeing, they are in this body, this part of it.
My name is Christina. I'm also with Ellen.
And the title tag contains the name of the tab. Contain the name of the, and we always put it in the open head and close head. So this is the basic code for every website. So should I put something in the middle here, they will appear on the website page. But I'll not put anything. You know, input, this is my first web page. This is my first web page. it will appear in the body. So I'm going to save it. You click on file, you click on save as, and this is my folder. I'm saving it. Wow, I deleted them all. I'm saving this one on desktop. I think mine is on desktop. Okay, desktop. Desktop. Can I see it? Desktop. And it was web. 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 Okay, this one. So I'm saving into this. My this page is called home page. So I will name it home. It's my home page. I will name it home. So I'll bring dot html. That is the language or the programming language we are using. So you have to add it to the name of the page. Home.html. Then you click on save. Make sure save as type is set all. Make sure here is all. This file extension is important. It's important. Make sure you bring it. The work we are doing is HTML, so you have to add. So I will minimize the work. I will minimize the work, the page, and go into my folder. This is my folder. This is the page we created. Don't forget the name of the page is we are developing a home page, and then home must be on the tab, and then this is my first web page must be in the body. So I'm opening it. Here we go. You can see home on the tab. Look at the home. It's on the tab.
Yeah.
Yes. Can you see this is my first website? It's in the body.
Yes.
It is in the body. Have you seen it? So we don't go to the head again. You always work within the body tag. Let me enlarge it. You work within the body tag. We work within the body tag. We work within the body. This is the body. Have you seen it? This is the body. That's why we are going to put everything. So, guys, this is just orientation. And then before we are done with the, Gilbert will be joining us from tomorrow to do more. When he comes, we'll be learning the parts of the website. We'll do footer, we will do contact page, you do grid, you do menu bar, you do drop down in that manner. Then within 5 days, we'll put them together to see a complete website, or 10 days time to see a complete website. But as we do, make sure you build upon it.
Sir James.
Yes, sir.
I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
I can see that the closing head tag, you didn't bring the greater than sign after the head. Would that affect it when you open the web browser?
Which one? Sure. That's why I
Closing
have.
head.
That's why I have this one. Thank you very much. Have you seen this red?
Yes.
That's why this red is there. Thank you very much. That's why.
Okay.
Have you seen the red is gone?
Yeah.
Yes, that's why the red is there. And it's
okay.
So to read code is not small job. Thank you very much. Let me save the changes. Control plus S. When I save the changes, it shouldn't have even worked for me. It shouldn't have even worked for me. Thank you very much. That's what here was red, telling me something is wrong somewhere. All right, thank you very much. So,
You're welcome.
Any question? You can see that all the codes are in brown, or let's say, is it orange? And then those words are in black.
Since Madam Iron is calling you.
Please talk.
Okay, let me also teach you more with more knowledge.
Yeah, mama. Yantio.
Let me also teach you more with more knowledge.
No, your voice can't help us. Please, your voice can't help. You can't hear cry. Your voice can't help. It's far away. Is there anything somebody want to say? Is there anything someone want to say?
Oh, let's continue.
Okay, so the design we have for our project is like this. Just a minute. the design we have for our project, I just want to show you the design, how the home page looks like. This is what we are going to design at the end of the day. Can you see from my screen?
Mhm.
Have you seen what we'll be designing? Have you seen it?
Yeah.
This is
Yes.
this is what we'll be designing. So you look for your own logo to be at the top. Your own company name. It can be your school name. Then we teach you how to create the menu bar, put in the links, and then how to bring a picture, and then how to bring your information for the home. This is a home page. You talk about partners, and maybe if it's your school, you can talk about maybe activities. Anything goes. Okay, these are our partners. We have the president presenting teacher to Kofi Annan, the director of Kofi Annan Institute. The president left, and you can see CEO of GIFEC, and then CEO of Notre. You can see what do you call it? GAST executives. This man is the past secretary. This man is the president of GAST. This man is the president of GNET. This woman is the secretary to GAST. This man is the first secretary for national secretary for GAST. He's also the ICT coordinator for GAST. Yes, this man, and this one is CEO for Notre. And this is our patron, Honorable Osaya Educhim, the Deputy Minister of Education. So you do a gallery like this, a gallery on the website. And this is what we call grade. You can call it column. You are a teacher. So you can call it a column, but we call it grade on the web page. Grade. Okay, we'll be doing that one too. This is more or less like picture gallery. So this is what do you call it? The robotics training we had. We built robot car. We code for it to move, and then we were taken through how to fly drone. Massa. Yeah, it was marvelous. Anyway, so this is another gallery, and these are few executives of GNET. As you can see, our patron, the honorable. So that's it. And then we have workshops that we have attended within. Here is K2 South. Here is Accra, West Africa Secondary School, and many more. This is also another gallery of our programming coding. That is our robotics class training, robotics. And then the footer I was talking about. So guys, we have a lot to do. We have a lot to do. This is a page we have developed for our what do you call it? Our training. I hope you get my point. So we are going to end here. We are going to end here, and let's share any last message or any advice. Any advice, any message. So because we are done for today, just orientation. Are you guys there?
Mhm.
Are you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. So any advice, any comment,
Yeah.
anything goes.
Again,
Yes.
you said I cannot join tomorrow.
Come again. That's correct.
I cannot join.
Unless you
You
pay.
said
Unless you pay.
yes. Yes, I'll pay for the 40 cities.
And 40 doesn't cover this web. The 40 is for the 3 apps. So you join that one, don't worry. If you pay 40, you join that class. They did database today. It was marvelous.
So this one is
Come again. This is web technology. Teaching them how to develop.
yeah.
Hey, my brother, whose code is that? It's for who? What do you call it? Aaron. Is that your code? And whose code is that? That's who?
Hello.
Your name?
Mubarak.
And is that your code?
Yeah. Sorry about that.
Oh, beautiful. Can I see the page? The page itself. Can we see the page itself? If you save this one, where is the page?
Hello?
If you save this code,
No,
the page.
should I give you the page?
Yeah, the page. You want to see the page? The code is nice.
Okay.
I've left with the page.
Okay, I will show it to you very soon.
Okay. Wow. So
Okay. So let's continue.
So the code we are showing us, what is it? Is it for
No,
home page or for contact page?
no, that is a page I designed for Facebook. I was just trying something.
Oh, okay.
Trying to design the interface for Facebook.
Sure. Oh, that was one of the learners. He has paid though, but I think he has knowledge. He wants to acquire more knowledge.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. We'll be taking you through a little PHP and MySQL so that you'll get database
Okay.
on your website. Okay.
Okay.
Good. So guys, Charlie, we are doing great.
Let's do one thing after the other.
What's his name? We are listening. Irene, we are listening.
Let's do one thing after the another. Once we are in a process of doing something,
Please, we are done with the demonstration. We just want contribution, comments, advice, so that we can straighten things. In the voice,
In fact, the network.
no, her volume is down.
Yeah.
I can't hear her very well unless maybe he put the phone on in her mouth so that we can hear her well.
Okay.
Mr. Apple, I'm saying that is that the first day of the orientation?
Yeah, this is.
Yeah, it looks as if Irene is asking to know if today is the first day for the orientation.
Sure. Yes.
For the second batch.
Sure. Yes.
Okay.
Hey, Irene.
What I wanted to say was that
I think it's happening as well.
are
Irene.
you hearing me?
We are listening.
Okay, earlier
Now don't have
on,
one
when
eldest
you were
now.
doing the task, we're asking somebody whether he doesn't know anything about that.
Yeah.
HTML, we bought a tag.
Name me
HTML,
book. I don't book I.
we bought a tag because HTML, which is a hypertext markup language, understands only one language framework, which is the tag. So it works with the framework. It has
The line. Okay. So Irene is trying to advise or add more to what we are doing.
What I'm